Hello everyone, Professor Thompson here. Um, it is July 18th and I wanted to really quickly touch base with everybody in the summer Net 20 class. We're winding down to the last week and a half or so of the term. So a couple reminders, couple things to think about. You've got your final presentation coming up. Make sure you plan ahead. Make sure that you upload your video in the correct spot. Make sure that you're getting them into Connect. I will only accept videos in Connect, so make sure that you record in advance and you plan ahead to get those videos loaded in the correct space. Do not send me any links. Do not send me your video another way. Get your videos loaded appropriately. As for the other coursework within Unit 3, many of you are complete. Some of you have one or two items left, so thank you for working so diligently on that. Most of you are on way and cruising into the end here and wrapping up your A in the semester, which is a really good thing. You've persevered through all the different assignments and requirements this 8 weeks. Again, the presentations that you're doing in this class are about self-reflection. They're about the process. They're about the journey. They're about dealing with your anxiety, dealing with the factors in recording them, gathering an audience, speaking in front of that audience. It's about self-reflection in looking at yourself from an audience perspective and doing your self-evaluations, and that's important. This class is all about that. That's the piece that's important, is completing the process, experiencing grit and persevering and overcoming some anxiety barriers. So you've done that in the first couple speeches. And so as you continue to trust yourself and pay attention to being an interactive and charismatic speaker and getting out of your notes and increasing eye contact and looking more natural as you move around, that's what we're looking for here. We're not looking to be nitpicky and count the amount of times you say and items like that in a speech. So, continue to improve. That's the key. And tell me about that improvement in your self-assessments. As far as your group situation, I do want to remind you that there is no group paper, no group writing assignment, none. You still need to complete Chapter 8 in Unit 2. So do Chapter 8, read it, do the module, complete the quiz. You still need to complete the discussion board on groupthink. Yes, you need to do that. You need to respond to 2 of your classmates. So make sure you do the other group aspect or the group discussion piece in the chapter. You just have no group paper. The last thing I want to remind you has to do with the extra credit. You can do 1 extra credit chapter. That means either Chapter 2, 3, or 7. You can only do 1. Some of you have already done 1. If you've done more than 1, you only get credit for 1. That was in the syllabus and the schedule. Some of you have emailed me about questions regarding the point scoring for that. Connect is really kind of wonky, and it does not allow me to enter an assignment out of 0 points, so that when you complete it, you get bonus points, because it would be like 20 points out of 0, so it would be bonus. It forces me to put a grade criterion that you are scored out of. So what will happen is if you complete Chapter 2, 3, or 7, after the semester ends on the deadline, I will go in and I will zero out your scores for those specific chapters. And if you look at the grade book, there's a bonus column. Blackboard allows me to enter a column out of 0 points. So the points you acquire in Connect, I move manually over into Blackboard as a bonus column or bonus points. So rest assured you will get extra credit if you do one of those chapters. It just, because of Connect, is it's a screwy. So anyhow, we adjust and we deal with the technology. I think that's about it. If you have questions, great. If not, it looks like many of you have posted your charities, nonprofits, restaurants for the final speech. Just do what you're doing. Get the stuff done. Get it in. Enjoy the rest of your summer. And I may create a video here at the end of the term, but this might be the last video before many of you are recording and uploading your speeches. So get those done, get them loaded into the right spot, and best of luck to all of you.